You see, kids, this is what happens when you don't listen to your car. The brake rotor should be approximately that thick. However, this person decided to keep on driving, started hearing grinding sounds, and decided, hey, that's probably not a big issue. I'm going to keep on driving. And you can see the inside of the rotor is now that thick, or I should say that thin. The brake pad became so thin that it slipped right through, or the rotor and the brake pad became so thin that the brake pad slipped right through and the car started braking on the caliper piston itself. So absolutely not good. This person should have stopped driving right away because it does become a safety issue. And yeah, that's what bad brakes look like. These Nissans are notorious for rear caliper slide pins seizing up, or the calipers itself seizing up, so it's better to bring it into the shop right away, get the caliper replaced, put new pads on, new rotors on, and be good for another 30,000-40,000 miles. We know it's a caliper issue because the front pad had a lot of thickness on it, and obviously the rear pad didn't have anything. So the slide pins they weren't really too bad. They were a little bit seized, so it wasn't really giving that floating movement to the front pad. And because this was seized, it was just pushing down on that back pad and never retracting back. So yeah. Listen to your sounds, fix your car properly. Don't ever do this.